everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, house reviews and more. So I love to craft and do budget-friendly home decor. You should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. I am so excited for today's video. Not only will I be sharing with you guys 2 Dollar Tree Farmhouse DIYs, I will also be unboxing and trying on 3 shirts I received from threadtank. threadtank apparel is designed and handcrafted in Los Angeles, California. Their tops are super comfortable and soft. You can pick shirts that are totally you. They have so many different designs. Each design tells a different story. They also have different styles of shirts. These are also perfect gift options. This is actually my second time collabing with them. They have added so many different new designs ever since my last collab. I would also like to share with you guys a discount code that will save you 10% on your entire purchase, plus the link to the shirts I got down in the description box. So here they are, and now let's open them up. And this cute stickers, stories you can wear. The first shirt I chose was this t-shirt in heather gray. I chose this because women should feel beautiful at any age. Now to the next shirt. My next t-shirt is this one. I picked this in white. Size medium. This mama is like no other. I love what it says. With this quarantine, I have learned how to homeschool my kids, and I think I'm doing a very good job. My favorite shirt is this one, and the color is just beautiful. I am a crafty girl and I love to make crafts. Plus, in crafting, there's no mistakes. So now that you have seen all the shirts, now let's craft. In today's video, I will be doing 2 Dollar Tree DIYs. I absolutely love how both of these turned out. I will be using 1 bucket for this DIY, and I will be using a dowel. I got this from Lowe's. You can use a jumbo screw stick that Dollar Tree carries, but you just can't add anything heavy to your bucket. Another thing you can use is a plunger stick that Dollar Tree carries. 3 buckets come in 1 pack, but I will be using only 1. I want to make 2 planters from this bucket, so I'm cutting this in half. To cut this, I will be using a box cutter. The bucket is plastic, so it's very easy to cut. They will need a back, so I'm using this placemat. I've used this before to make backs to a different DIY, and I like it because it's hard plastic, so it doesn't fold easily. I want to make my buckets galvanized, so I'm going to spray paint them using this silver spray paint that I got from Lowe's. I'm also spray painting some of the placemat. Next, I'm going to trace out the buckets and then cut them out. I'm going to glue the backs with just my glue gun. I am not adding nothing heavy to them, so that's why I'm only using hot glue. But I recommend that if you are adding something heavier, to use a stronger glue like the E6000 or super glue. Now that I have the backs on, I'm going to finish painting my buckets, and I'm going to make them more galvanized, so I'm going to add the Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. Once that is dry, I'm going to go over it with the Waverly chalk paint and steel. I am loving the way the spray painting is making this look galvanized. It is more shiny, more metal. It looks more like a metal galvanized bucket than plastic. I cut the dowel shorter and made it 17 inches long. Then I'm going to stain this using the Waverly Antique Wax. When I first thought of doing this, I wanted to use chains to hang the planters, but when I went to my stash, I didn't have enough, so I'm using jute string instead. I am cutting 4 strings the same size. I'm going to glue 1 string to each side, and I'm only using the hot glue. I am not using the E6000 or any stronger glue, because I am not adding anything heavy to my little planters or buckets. So if you are, I recommend you using a stronger glue. And then all you have to do is just put the dowel through the little hooks or hangers. I'm going to do that to the other bucket as well. And then add some greenery. I'm using these lavenders I got from Walmart. Here I'm showing you one way you can hang these to the wall. I am using only thumbtacks since the flowers are not heavy, but another choice is to use these hooks. These are Dollar Tree hooks. I am painting them since they are white. I'm using dark brown or chocolate bar and black and mix them to make it a darker brown. These turn out more beautiful than I thought they would. I love how they look more galvanized with the spray paint. My second DIY is very easy and simple to do. I will be using this frame I got from Dollar Tree and 4 wood blocks. I'm going to paint the blocks white using my apple barrel acrylic paint. These will be the stands for my tray, and I'm going to glue them to the front of my frame instead of the back, just because the front of the frame is thicker. So I am technically gluing it upside down, and then I'm going to stain this using the antique wax. And you can paint the glass if you want, or remove the vinyl clock, but I will be using some craft paper instead. I got this from Michael's a while back. I'm going to show you different papers you can use, but I decided to use this one that had a little bit of brown like that. It matches the frame. And to glue this paper, I'm using a regular glue stick. And that is it. This was so easy and simple to do. I absolutely love how this turned out. And all I did was just decorate it with some of the things I already had.